we fell out of love like shooting stars came crashing down, and we're building back up again now.
Hello you guys, I'm the Diva and I am back with another haul of sorts. It's not really a haul. I went to Sephora the other day and I bought the new Hourglass Scattered Lights Glitter Eyeshadow. And when I saw these come out, I just knew I had to have one, and plus I wanted to put it up against my other potted eyeshadows and see if they compare, if I like them more, less, you know, all of that. So yeah, that's what this video is going to be about. Let's go ahead and get started. So to begin with, I'm going to talk to you about the Hourglass eyeshadow that I bought. It looks like this, comes in this packaging. It is so cute. It looks nice. It looks nice. This one is in the color Blaze. Inside there is a cap to keep it sealed tightly. Here is the shadow. It is so beautiful. This is pure pigment. Oh, I do have the shadow on today. Yeah, this is what my eye look is for today. I love it. Okay, so I tried to do a video yesterday, and in that video I put the eyeshadow on first, and I put this eyeshadow on first, and I just felt like I wasn't able to blend as much as I wanted to, so because I was afraid that I was going to get fallout. I didn't end up getting any fallout, but I didn't blend a lot either. So what I ended up doing this time for today's look, I did all of my background colors, like my dark shades, my blending shades. I did all of that first, and then I put the glittery eyeshadow on, and I love the way my eye look turned out today. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a swatch of this. You guys, this feels so good. It just feels, it feels a little squishy. So it's not a hard pan or anything like that. It does have a squishy feel to it, and you can see the indentation of my fingerprint. But here is a swatch. To me, this is like a very deepened, like a mauvey, peachy pink. It is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. And what you're gonna want to do is keep it tightly sealed so that it won't dry out. Because it's not a cream, but it kind of feels like a cream. I feel like once you put it on, give it a couple of minutes, it will set in place, and it just gives a good look. Even for hooded eyes, you guys, there's no transfer. I don't think any has happened just yet. Yeah, there's no transfer, and I have hooded eyes. But I did put glitter glue on, so I don't know if that helped it to stay in place, but yes, I did use glitter glue. The eyeshadows that I want to compare it to are my Chanel Ombre Primieres, my Armani Eyes to Kill, and my Dior Fusion Mono Longwear eyeshadows. Okay, so the first one that I thought of when I saw this and I saw the packaging was the Giorgio Armani Eyes to Kill. They looked similar from the videos that I saw, so yeah. And they came in similar packaging. The Giorgio Armani Eyes to Kill comes with this packaging on top. and this is what the eyeshadow looks like. It looks very, very similar. The feeling is not the same, exact same, but they look very similar. This one is new and it's glitter, so I don't know if that's why they don't feel exactly the same, but they look very similar. Here is a swatch of that. Yeah, they look very similar. So yes, I don't know exactly how much each one costs. I will put that up. They look very similar, except, you guys, the Hourglass one is, again, glitter, and it has it in the name, glitter. So if you don't like glitter, do not pick up that eyeshadow. Go for something like the Armani one, because they are practically the same. And pulling this eyeshadow out really let me know how much I love it, and the fact that I need to go back and use it again. Well, start using it again. The next one I want to talk about is one that when I feel this, the texture of this made me think of the Dior Mono Fusion Longwear eyeshadows. So I'll open that up, and it comes with a little hard cap on here as well. This is what this one looks like. Yeah, that's what this one looks like. And this one is called number 661 Meteor, and I just love the Dior Fusion Mono eyeshadows. I do not know why Dior has not come out with more of these. Like, Dior is missing money like crazy with these, because once I bought one of these, I felt like I needed to have all of them, and I think I have just about all of them. But this one right here is way more squishier than the other two, but this one feels pretty much exactly the same as this one. But let me go ahead and swatch this one as well. This is why I love these type of eyeshadows. They give your lid just so much glitter and so much shine. These two right here are more for your shimmery looks. Like, if you don't like glitter, then yes, the other three are going to be the ones for you to go to. If you want glitter on your eyes, but you don't feel like using those liquid ones, because like, I think it's Stila has those liquid glitters that then turn into a powder or some, I don't know anything about those, because I've never used them, because I do not want to put any liquid on my lid, because I have hooded eyes and transfer. Okay, the Dior is one of my more favorite formulas, and just, they have the best colors. They have the best color. The next one that I have is my Ombre Premieres from Chanel, and this one is in the color 820 Memory. Okay, these are more of your creams. They are like a cream to powder, and these are nothing alike, nothing. But I wanted to put it in this video. But it still is a powder. It's a cream, but a powder. It's so weird. You just have to go to Chanel or to a Chanel counter and try it out for yourself. But I want to show you this swatch as well. Okay, I hope that these are not washed out. I hope you guys get a good look at them. They are just so beautiful. Chanel Ombre Premieres are ones that I use a lot. I use these way more than I use any of the other ones. Even though the Dior one is my most favorite formula, I do use the Chanel ones more often, just because Chanel keeps coming out with new ones every 5 minutes, and so I end up having to well, I don't have to, but I end up having to go out and buy new ones. So I end up using the Ombre Premieres more than I do the Dior Mono Fusion ones. I just wish Dior would go back and start putting out more of these with better colors and everything, especially since Hourglass is coming for you, Dior. Hello. Hourglass is coming to get that money. Don't let them get all your money, okay? We want more of these. Alright, I hope you liked the video. Until next time, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!
I'll be right beside you.